In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located inside of the glove compartment. Let's get started. Open up the glove compartment. On the right-hand side, you'll find a plunger. We're going to pull this off, push it to the side, push it down behind. We're going to pinch on the top of the box to get these two grommets below. Grab the box, pull straight out. Inside of here, you're going to find a trap door. On either side, you're going to have a tab. We're going to push on these tabs, pull straight up, grab the cabin air filter, remove the cabin air filter. Make note of the airflow. Be sure it's pointing down with the arrow. Install the air filter, close the door, listen for the two clicks. On the back of our box, we have two hinges on either side. We're going to line these up right here and on the other side as well. Once they're lined up, pull the glove box up until those grommets are seated. Go to that plunger on the side, push it on. Close the glove box, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.